Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm going to be heading over to the shortest train line in Tokyo. By the end of this video, you'll see where the train line starts, how short the line is, and what is there at the main station of this line. So I'm currently here at Fuchukeibaseimon-Mae, which is on the west side of Tokyo, and I'll be heading over to the shortest train line using the JR Nambu line. I had to run a little bit because I only had 2 minutes to transfer from the JR line to the KO line. I'll be taking the express KO line heading towards Shinjuku.
Special express train bound for Shinjuku. The next stop is
So I just got off at Higashifuchu Station and I'll finally be transferring to the shortest line here in Tokyo. So the platform on the left side heads towards Keio Hachioji or Mount Takao. And this platform on the right side is actually for the shortest train line in Tokyo. And this is called the Keio Keibajo line. So this line is mainly for people to go to the Tokyo Racecourse, which is the next station called Fuchukeibaseimon-Mae. And that station is right outside the main entrance of the racecourse. You may be wondering why the name of the station is not Tokyo Keibajo. It's because there used to be an old JR line called the Tokyo Keibajo. So because of that, they had to choose another name and they ended up choosing this name. So technically they can change the name of the station to that because the old station is gone. But as some of you may know, it is really time consuming and expensive to change the name of the train station. So that's probably why they just stuck to this. As I finished saying that, the train for this line is here. I just realized it now, but there's 8 cars on this line. That's a lot of cars for a train that only goes one station.
Thank you for using the Keio line. This is the local train bound for Fuchukeibaseimon-Mae. The next stop is Fuchukeibaseimon-Mae. KO46. This is the last station of this line. The doors on the right side will open.
Here it is. Oh wow, it looks pretty big. Look how grassy this area is. It makes it look like a really rural train, or like a low-key train. But we are here at Fuchukeibaseimon-Mae. I don't know if you can tell from here, but this station is extremely huge, despite being on the shortest line in Tokyo. So as for how short this train line is, first off, it was only a 2-minute train ride from Higashifuchu to this station. And as for the distance, it is 0.9 kilometers, and that's about 0.56 miles. You can pretty much just walk here and only take like 10 to 15 minutes. The track for the right side goes all the way here, but for the left side, it stops over here. I am not sure when they will use this platform, but I guess for now, they only use this one. My camera fully zoomed in, and I'm gonna slowly zoom out just to give you a better picture of how long and spacious this train platform is. As for how frequent the train comes, as of Sunday, it comes once every 20 minutes, it seems like. There's a mysterious building over there. And it says nothing on it. There's no sign, there's no paper, there's no... yeah. It was about a 30-minute train ride from Tachikawa Station, but I feel like most of you will not use that station. So the easiest way to get to the station is to take the Keio line from the Shinjuku station and then get off at Higashifuchu and then transfer to the Keibajo line. Oh, the train is leaving. Let's see if these people can make the train. Yeah, they made it. Good job, good job. Wait, this isn't a one-man train? There's a train conductor? Yeah, there's a train conductor. That's so weird because the Nambu line I took, the JR Nambu line, that's a one-man train. And that definitely has more passengers compared to this line. Thinking about it, there's a chance that there's a train conductor whenever there's an event happening at this race course. And it seems like there was an event happening because there's like so many people getting on the station. So since I'm here, I'm going to get off the station and just walk around a bit. Yep, the name of this race course is Tokyo Race Course. There's a sign over here and there's also a more official looking sign over here. I don't know what JRA stands for. What is it? Japan Racing Association? I don't know. I'll put the answer here. I think this is the race course. It's pretty big. I'm looking at the website of the race course and yeah, there was an event happening. It doesn't say the time. I wonder if it says. Oh, what? It's this long? It started from 10:05? I have no idea how the horse racing thing works. I just know people bet a lot of money on this. There's like 3 different types of categories: Niigata, Kyoto, and Tokyo. And the time for each of these categories seems to be different. The last race, or whatever this is, ended at 4 p.m., 4:10 p.m., and 4:30 p.m. It is 5:26 right now. I guess that explains why there's still a lot of people getting on the train station now. This is my first ever time looking at this race course. Now I wish I can see the inside, but I think this is the furthest I can go. Oh, this must be like the ticket machine area, like a ticket booth area. Admissions office, information, and what does that say? 平日払戻し場. Okay. Because there's no like casino in Japan, I feel like the closest alternative to that will be pachinko and this. Okay, I'm gonna go up to that bridge area. Maybe I can see a better angle of that race car or race course from here. Again, there's the same admission office and information center, and there's these horses. Well, that's what the race course looked like. Go across this bridge. It's a really nice bridge. It's clean. There's a lot of trees over here. Look at that. This is the parking lot. It's pretty big. There's only like 4 cars left. Oh, here, there's 1 car here. This one's just in the middle. I don't know what it's doing. It's like stopping, moving, stopping. Oh, there's 1 more car over there. And I feel like most people just take the train here. Other than the race course, it seems to be just like a regular residential area. There's a lot of houses there too. Okay, we're back at the station. The next train is coming at 5:41 p.m. I think I saw a train coming. Alright, there it is. That is the train. And there's a lot of people waiting. Probably because this train comes only once every 20 minutes. Oh, there's actually a decent amount of people getting off too. I have about 4 minutes until this train leaves. Alright, this will be a good time for me to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here, so feel free to watch that video as well. Alright, bye bye.